Okay guys, I've got something really fun to show you. This is the cut and restored string. For this you need a string, you need a straw, and you need a pair of scissors. Let me show you how the trick looks. I take my piece of string, I'm going to put it inside my straw, and it really is just one piece of string. So the string goes inside the straw, and you can see the string coming out both ends of the straw like this. You can show that to your audience too. Then fold the straw in half, and now you're going to cut the straw like this. Watch. So I've cut the straw, but look, the string remains completely unharmed, just like that. So here's what you do. Like I said, you need a piece of string, you need a pair of scissors, and you need a straw. Now, actually, every time you do the trick, you're going to ruin a straw. So if you're doing the trick a lot of times, every time you do the trick, you need a new straw. And the scissors are not just there to cut the straw during the trick, they're also there to do some advanced preparation. Now again, be really careful with a pair of scissors, you don't want to get hurt. So you take the straw, and you're going to cut about 1.5 inches or so off of the side of the straw. Now what I mean by that, you're not going to cut through the straw. You're going to shave off basically with the scissors just a really thin piece of straw. Now what I would also recommend to you that your parents do this part for you, because this part, it is really easy to hurt yourself. So I'm holding the straw very carefully with my fingers, and I'm taking the scissors, and I'm just cutting part of that straw off. See that? So I'm not cutting through the entire straw, I'm just cutting part of it off like that. So now, I'll get up close to the camera, you can see now we've got a channel cut into the straw. And again, because you're holding the straw so tightly and the scissors and everything, it's really easy to hurt yourself with it. So I strongly recommend you get your mom or dad to do this part for you. Then what you do, you take the string, and I like to do this part in front of the audience so they can see that there's nothing going on here. You're going to put the string into the straw, and by the way, when you're doing this, do not flash that part toward the audience. People might see what's going on here, so make sure you keep that part that is cut out facing toward you. So you put the string inside the straw, and you make sure it goes all the way down, coming out the other end, just like at the beginning of the trick. And you can pull it one way and the other way, and the whole time you're keeping this cutout part away from your audience so they can't see it. When you fold the straw in half, you're going to fold it right along that part that you cut. So I'll show you the opposite side. You're going to cut, you're going to fold it, and you're going to fold it right there where it was cut. Now look at that. You can see now that that string is starting to come out of that channel a little bit, which is going to protect it, because when you fold it in half, you're going to pull on that string. Now look, I've got a space between where the string goes through and the straw so that I can cut part of the straw without actually cutting the string. Now you don't want to show the audience this, that looks really suspicious. So when you fold it in half, I like to keep my finger over that spot so the string doesn't pop out. So I fold it right along that spot, fold it completely in half like this. So now there's not an opportunity for the audience to see that string. Pull both ends of the string down like this. That will make sure that the string is through that channel, and it gives you that area up above where the string is. You can cut that straw. Pull it nice and tight. Hold these two pieces together, and you're going to cut just the top of the straw. So you're cutting the straw in half, but you're not cutting the string in half. Just like that. And then I don't want to pull it like this, because people will then see that channel. You can see where it's cut in half here and here. The string is coming out here. That looks suspicious. So when you go to take the straws away, I like to go like this, just like what I'm doing right now, and then just like that. And that hides that. Drop one end of the straw, drop the other end of the straw, and show that the string has been completely restored. It's a really fun magic trick.